Hey guys, hope you're doing okay. I'm gonna do a short MTP update. So we are currently, I'm gonna talk about the P&L, the symbols I'm using to trade this system, and gold and Bitcoin. I'm gonna finish off with that. So we are currently, Israel and the US are attacking Iran, and this is affecting the market, unfortunately. Uh, not- it's unfortunate for people being in war. It's not unfortunate that we're losing the money. So don't Don't let me forget to say that. So these are the symbols that I'm using. I'm trading the DAX, the Nasdaq, and the US S&P 500. So this is what happened. So the market opened today and it dropped down tremendously because the attack on Iran happened on the 28th. So about on Saturday. Today is Monday. So when the market opened, the market just tanked, right? We were up around $2,000 in this area right here, and when the market opened, it just continued down. And I believe that's going to take out our stop loss, but we never know. Maybe it can reverse back up. We never know. So I'm letting the system play out, and the same thing goes with Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, the market goes down, and these kind of things. Let me just jump to, and the S&P 500, right? So we are in drawdown right now, $700 in drawdown, $300 in drawdown, and $340 in drawdown right now. So these kind of things, we can't plan for them, right? We can't plan for wars. We can't plan who the US or Israel is going to attack. We don't, we can't plan for these things and these things are affecting the market. So how they're affecting the market, we don't know because oil is bearish right now. Oil prices are going down. The gold, look at what's happening from the gold's perspective. The gold is going up, is continuing up, which is what usually happens during war times. Because gold, this is what happens. This is the Russia and Ukraine war. What happened? The gold dropped down, gave us a bearish reaction, and then continued up. And then the Israel and Palestine war started, and then the Iran and Israel strike, and then the gold just continued up, 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 up. And this is what's continuing to happen right now on gold. The same thing is happening on Bitcoin, but it didn't give us a reaction right now. So we're waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm being patient with it, and I'm not trying to touch the system way too much at all, basically. So in the last video, I said when I reach this area, I will move my stop loss to break even and have a trailing stop, right? It never reached this area, unfortunately. And we can't plan for war. These times happen. All right, that's a short update. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Have an amazing day.